The hardware must be oiled and greased once per year. Only use oils and greases recommended by your specialist window company. Do not under any circumstances use any other lubricants. Before use, remove dirt and grease residues from all locking cams and the pivot rest with a dry cloth. Use the spray bottle to grease the pivot rest. Briefly close and open the window to distribute the lubricant. Then use the spray bottle to grease all the espagnolet rods of the sash locking cams. Carry out a functional test. The process on the stay arm is the same as that on the pivot rest at the beginning. The locking component on the locking edge must also be maintained using the special grease. All of the installation, adjustment and maintenance work shown in the video must be carried out by a specialist company. Ask for a maintenance agreement if necessary. This ensures that you can enjoy using your window for many years to come.